Hi there, welcome to my channel, crewvn.com.
Cactit B trên tầng mui. This diagram provides a detailed view of the deck equipment on the forecastle, which is the front part of a ship. It shows various components and devices that are essential for anchoring, mooring, and maintaining the ship's stability. Key components and their translations. First, the windlass, or toy neo, is a mechanical device used for raising and lowering the anchor chain. Next, we have the chain cable compress, which is ham shik neo, a device used to control or slow the anchor chain's movement. The hawse pipe, or ongdan shik neo, is the pipe through which the anchor chain passes from the ship's deck to the sea. Then, the anchor chain, also called shik neo, is the heavy chain attached to the anchor used to secure the ship. The bollard, or cot beat, is a post on the deck used for securing ropes or cables. The fair leader, which is soma dan hung, is a component used to guide the anchor chain. Mooring pipe, or ongdan de changbuk, is the pipe used for mooring the ship and securing it to the dock or even another ship. Deck end roller, or kan lun pia kui bung, is a roller to help guide the anchor chain or mooring lines. Wire reel, tang quan kap buk, is a reel that stores mooring wires or other cables. Cowhead ventilator, also known as thung jaw mai ki, is a ventilation system used on the deck for airflow. Derrick, or kan cow do hang, is a crane-like structure used for lifting heavy cargo. Boom support, or kot du kan cow do jang, is a support for the boom, which is used to handle heavy equipment. Air and sounding pipe, ong thung ki ket bei do, are pipes used for ventilation and measuring the ship's depth. Flagstaff, or kot ko, is a flagpole for flying the ship's flag. Anchor davit kan nung neo is a type of crane used for handling the anchor. Stockless anchor, neo kongang, is a type of anchor with no horizontal stock. Anchor shackle, mani neo, is a connector that links the anchor chain to the anchor. Anchor shank, or anchor shaft, which is kan neo or than neo, refers to the long shaft part of the anchor. Anchor crown, or mu neo, is the top part of the anchor, usually the point where the arms meet. Anchor arm, kan neo, is the main arms of the anchor. Anchor palm, luoi neo, is the part of the anchor that makes contact with the sea floor to secure the vessel. Anchor fluke, or mu neo, is the pointed part of the anchor that digs into the seabed. Anchor fight davit, kan nung neo nyo, is a smaller crane used for lifting or securing the anchor. Open rail, thanlan kan, is the rail surrounding the deck for safety. Handrail, or tavin, is the railing used for safety along the ship's edges. Anchor recess, honeo, is a recessed area where the anchor is stored. Bell mouth of hawse pipe, menglo tuoneo, is the opening where the anchor chain exits the ship. View check, or mui chan sang tone, is a protective feature for the hawse pipe to prevent damage. And finally, deck flange hawse pipe, tamdem jiakung lo sik neo, is a reinforced plate around the hawse pipe to secure it. Anchor types. First, the stock anchor, or neo kongang, is a traditional anchor with a horizontal bar, also called a stock. Then the Danforth anchor, or neo Danforth, is a type of anchor known for its fluke design, which offers great holding power in soft seabeds. So, this diagram includes crucial deck components involved in mooring and anchoring operations, along with the anchor system, cranes, and safety features on the ship. It also showcases various anchor gear components on a ship, including anchor windlasses and other mechanical systems used for handling anchors, mooring, and lifting operations. Alright, let's talk about the key components. First, we have the Toi Nam Che Bang Hoi Nuk, or steam-driven windlass. This is a windlass powered by steam, used for hoisting and handling the anchor chain. Next, there's the Fan Toi, or windlass brake, which is a brake system that controls the windlass operation, especially when lowering or raising the anchor. Then we have the Bandan Sik, or chain sprocket, which is a sprocket used to guide and move the anchor chain. The San Dat Toi Nam, or windlass deck, is the area on the deck where the windlass operates. It's usually located at the front, or bow, of the ship. There's also the Toi Nam Che Bang Deen, or electric windlass, which is powered by electricity and used for anchor handling. Finally, the capstan, or toi dung, is a mechanical device used to handle heavy lines such as for anchoring, towing, or mooring. Now let's look at some other mechanical components. There are various types of chain locks, or kakyu hwasik, which are devices that lock the anchor chain in place. These include the hwasik kyote ham, a hand-operated chain lock, the hwasik kyu gong kim, which is a lever-operated chain lock, and the hwasik kyu napde, a cover-type chain lock that secures the chain. And as mentioned earlier, there's also the Twanam Che Bangdeen, or electric windlass, which is an electric-powered version of the windlass for easier handling. Moving on, the image also shows the deck layout with specific equipment placements used for anchor handling, mooring, and windlass operation. This section highlights the importance of mechanical systems like the windlass and capstan in safe and efficient anchoring, along with various locking mechanisms to properly secure the anchor chain.